Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by giving the app permission to access the camera and storage so it can save and organize images. Once done, open the Photos app and let it index your library. That makes search and albums faster. Make sure to enable backup, cloud, or local before you edit because versions can be lost. This step gets you from locked device to an organized library. It's quick and prevents data loss while you work. You now organize and refine. Create albums and mark favorites to surface the best shots. Tags and face detection speed up future searches. Once you select a photo, tap Edit to crop, adjust exposure, tweak color, and apply presets. These changes are non-destructive, so you can revert them. If you work with bursts or live photos, pick the key frame and trim. This middle phase turns a messy roll into curated content ready for sharing or archiving. You finish by sharing and securing your work. Use the Share menu to send full-resolution files or optimized copies to apps and contacts. Export originals for archives. Make a final verification of backups so you don't lose edits. If something goes wrong, photos missing or not syncing, check the hidden and recently deleted folders, then confirm app permissions and backup settings. If sync still fails, restart the app or device. That usually resolves transient issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.